Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday. How you guys doing? Hope you're feeling okay, you're good. Yeah, I just want to share with you how to, as you can see, I just made my hair. This is the new hairstyle. I just came out from the salon just now, not quite long. So what I really want to share with you is that I just want to share this idea with you, like how to, I wasn't really having much on me, and I needed to make my hair because I have got to go to work. Yeah. So I just want to share with you how to make your hair on budget, like when you don't really have much and you've got to make your hair and you don't know how to. There are some people that can style there by themselves and you don't know how to do that, and you really need to make your hair. So I'm gonna show you the video later, why I was in the salon. Yeah, while I was in the salon, then you see how it goes, where I had to relax my hair first, then after that I had to pack this gel, like packing gel, and then put something like a bun, like a ponytail, just to roll it to make it look more nice on me. And as you can see, it's really nice and people really love it. They said it makes me beautiful, and I'm beautiful before, then it makes me more beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the video, and then how to do this. Like anytime you're short of cash, you're not really having much and you need to make it, so you know how to go on low budget, low, very low budget. Yeah, that's it. My hair, I love it. I love it. I love it. Trust me, I love it. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you the video soon. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. And another thing I want to say is that I've been seeing. I know it's a new channel, and I've seen some people viewing my channel, but they are not liking. Please like, for goodness sake. Please just help your girl. Just help me like the video, like it, and subscribe to my channel. There are more videos to come. Just like, I'm just starting. I'm still new. I'm a fresh, as a matter of fact. So please just try and like my video. Please don't just view it. Thank you. Feeling breathy and all of that. If you apply some stuff like baby and all of that for it to stay and last longer, actually feeling the same, but actually works with it.